Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a wonderful music from text with AI, of course, in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click apps and AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find music AI app. One of the music app is the Melody Muse. So here you can generate music from words, transform text prompts into captivating musical composition to use in your design. You can click use in your design to get started. And here we go, you can describe your music or you can explore. Here the maximum duration is 15 seconds. Then if you think you already got your music, you can click to generate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.